Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy beauty and fashion, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to put the post notification bell on so you never miss my videos. And I post every Sunday, so let's get into this one. As you can tell by the title, so I'm going to share with you my favorite lip combinations, and I am super excited about this. So, going to start with the first one that I already have on my lips. I only have this one, which is from NARS Macao. This is her Color Fix in the shade Glaze, and this one is amazing. I love to use it on top of other glosses or other lipsticks. It's amazing. So I'm going to remove it and then show you my first combo. So starting with Cork from MAC Cosmetics, I'm going to line my lips, and this one is a brown, but more of a neutral brown, okay? So it's the perfect liner for my lips. Okay, so you zoomed in a little bit more. So I have Cork and I just lined my lips, okay? And I'll just fix that after, just this part, so it's a little bit cleaner. Okay, and I'm going to take the clear glaze, maybe this much, and then putting it on my lips. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. I love this one. It's so simple, and I feel like it just looks good on everyone. And you can just use whatever neutral shade that works for you. This one is really close to my skin tone, so I feel like it complements the look and anything I put on my face. So if you want to add a little bit of color, you can go for something like this one from Fenty. This is her cream gloss. This is in the shade Peach Pout. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this in the middle of my lips. Okay, just take a little bit of that, maybe this much, and then put it right in the middle. Okay, take a little bit more. I feel like it gives you like a hint of orange, and it's perfect. Lips are all clean. Going to use Photo from MAC. This one is a nice reddish brown. So going to use a brush for this just because it's pretty much done. But you know, there's still some in there. Going to grab a little bit. I mean, this shade, I can wear it on its own. It's beautiful as well. Okay, you just apply enough just so it can cover your natural lip color. I'm going to add this lovely shade from Fenty. So this is Mademoiselle. This is in a shade Up to No Good. Okay, so this one, it's a neutral peach, and it's on the lighter side. So I'm going to keep it matte. Going to apply this right in the middle of my lips as well. See how beautiful it is? This one is beautiful as well. Now, what you can do, you can add any gloss that you want on top of this. I mean, you have so many options. You can either go with a clear or you can go with the colorful gloss. Just because I love this color already, I'm going to add the clear on top of it, just a little bit of that so it's glossy, but you can keep it like this. Okay, so going to take the gloss, just a good amount, maybe this much, and then going to put it on my lips. Try not to mix it so it stays glossy. Now, do you see how glossy this is? Come on, it's beautiful. Okay, going to grab a little bit more for my top lip. And this is what you get when it's glossy. Now, for those of you who just want to have it all glossy, don't want to put a liner, don't want to put a lipstick, very glossy look, let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to use this one from Fenty. This is one of her heat shades. This is Hot Chocolate. And I'm going to use this as a liner just to outline my lips, basically. But you can totally go with this one on its own, no problem. So let me just show you. This is what we have. Bear with me. You can either go with one of the other Fenty. So I have Fenty Glow, and I also have the pink one, which is Fussy. So this is Fenty Glow, and then this is Fussy. I think for this look, I'm gonna go with Fussy just because there's a big difference between the two. This one is very pink, whereas that one is a little bit darker, like a chocolate. So I'm going to put Fussy right in the middle. So this is what you get when you layer two lip glosses together, just different shades. Lovely as well. So going to show you how you can add maybe another shade to it to make it really pop. Okay, so I'm going to use this one from Lime Crime. Beautiful orange shade. This is a matte lipstick in the shade Squash. I love this one. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of this right in the center. Okay. Bear with me. So this is what I would do if ever, let's say I wanted to add something a little bit brighter, like this beautiful orange shade. Put it right in the middle, and I think it looks great. It's very subtle, but you can definitely see it. It's like, it's a subtle orange, and it works with the chocolate. I'm telling you, you have to trust the process, okay? Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Next one. So I'm going to use this from CLARINS. This is their Water Lip Stain, and this is in the shade Orange Water. This is beautiful. So what you do is make sure you don't have anything on your lips. Okay, going to take this, apply it on my lips. I know it's really bright, but don't worry, it's gonna dry and then we'll continue. Pretty good, pretty even. So I'm going to use cork first. You have two options. You can either go with this shade, which is what I'm going to do, or you can go with a clear gloss like this one. So I'm going to show you this one, and there you go. Just add this on top of it. The lip stain comes in so many different shades, like pink, yellow, red. Beautiful shades. Okay, next one. So to stay in the same color family, just because my lips are already stained, I'm going to use two shades from their signature lip lightweight lipsticks. I'm going to use Tiger, this one, just to basically use it as a liner. Beautiful shade on its own. Okay, it's a darker shade, so I'm going to now use Cabo, which is a bright orange, like a reddish orange, and I'm going to put that in the middle. It's going to be very subtle, and that's what I want. You can definitely use both shades on their own. At least if you're close to my skin tone, you should be fine, but I feel like these two together look beautiful, and I love the mix. Again, you can always add a gloss. Perfect for the summer and spring. So that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to let me know which one is your favorite down below, and also comment your favorite combo so I can check it out and try it myself. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.